Hey, it's your girl Miss Chance and welcome back to Vocalfy. Today we're going to be talking about how to sing better for girls. Now, boys, you're going to have your video next week, but today this is a girls club. It's all about the homegirls, so let's get into it. Now, similar to the video that I posted last week, how to sing better, all that still applies. The only difference with today is for women, we have to start paying attention or exercising our lower register a bit more.
Bite me.
A lot of the times we focus on the higher notes, going higher, singing in our head voice, which is great because that's naturally where we will sit as women. Well, most women do. But in order to improve your range or improve your overall tone, you also want to exercise the muscles that are used for your lower region. I would start off with, again, the same stuff we did in the last video. Inhale, exhaling, making sure we're calm, making sure we're doing our lip trills, energy on, tongue exercises, and then we'll start with some exercises that will take us lower first. Then go down. So you can really feel the vibrations happening in throat. It shouldn't be a hard it should be very soft. It should feel like an internal massage. Okay? If you're doing it correctly. And you want to start paying attention to the vibrations in your chest. Okay? So using your SPS, we're gonna go and more. Now, you know what to do. If you like what you just heard, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends, do all that good stuff for your homie, and we will continue on with the video. Now, from here, we can do vocal fries. Keep going lower. Now, with the vocal fry, we're gonna make our way back up from that lower region. Making sure that we're synchronizing that breathing with our sound and we're giving our space, our SPS, keep that in mind. Again, one more time, and keep going. Now when you get to the point where you're about to transition from your chest voice, or what we like to call chest voice, into your head register, stop. Then just start playing around those notes. If it's here, really figuring out where is the placement now. So the placement is no longer here, but it's moving up into that nasal pharynx area or nasal cavity. So look at last week's video to see what I'm talking about. Now, again, go back to that operative word that we spoke about in the last video, to allow. Allow the sound to happen. Keep going. One more time. Now, last exercise that you can do is I like to call it the owl, where you go from low to high. Cool. You just want to, as a female, you want to also pay attention to your lower range as much as you pay attention to your higher range. Okay? Oh, wow. Sorry. That was my stomach. I'm hungry. Now, okay, so I hope that helps for you. We can get into more exercises later on, but that's just the thought process that I want you to have as a female singer when you are trying to get better. Don't just focus on the top, also focus on the bottom. Add your SPS into both of those exercises, and then you're gonna try to link them. All right, I hope that helps. I will see you next week. Bye.